product. And hence, keeping all these factors in mind, we felt that this is a low-hanging fruit in one sense, where the farmers are already engaged. We have a large hectare, almost close to 14,000 hectares of land are being cultivated. We have a production of almost 1.5 lakh metric tons every year. So therefore, it made complete sense for the government to, number one, provide a better market and linkage by connecting to international markets and national markets so that the farmers can get better price. And number two, to be able to add value to the different pineapple produce that is there and make different kind of processed food out of it. And hence, these two areas are being explored. And this festival is meant to give that particular avenue or that scope to our farmers and to our entrepreneurs to be able to get a better price for their product, and so that we can see ultimately that the pineapple that the farmers have been producing for a long time, there has been a significant growth